Okay, we are making rock candy out of sugar and water, a little bit of imitation vanilla, and some blue food coloring. Okay, so what you see here is we have a pot on top of our burner. We have a scale in the back because we've already measured. We're going to be using 500 milliliters of water. This is distilled water. Bought it at the store for 89 cents a gallon. There you go. We put that in. We're going to turn this on high. And then we're going to wait. In the meantime, we've taken a 500 milliliter beaker. We've put it on our scale. We've weighed it. We find out that the empty beaker weighs approximately 175 grams. We've then taken another 500 milliliter beaker. We filled it with 500 milliliters of sugar, and then we put this back on the scale and we know that it weighs 594 grams altogether. So if we take this 594 minus 175, that's a 9, that's a 1, that's 419 grams of sugar. What we're trying to get in the end, this is from their previous experiment, is we are trying to get this to recrystallize on a string, as you can see right there, and we are trying to make rock candy. In this case, this we've saved for, we want to show this to the judge for the science fair, for these girls' science fair project.
So what we have now, do we put vanilla in it first?
We're going to in just a moment. See you later. Okay, I'm joined by Al, who's just leaving. I have Raina, Peyton, Mia, Jaden, and Danielle, who are watching. Some of these young people are involved in the Science Fair project directly, some are just watching. You guys that are watching on the YouTube channel, you're just watching because you're going to see how we do this, so if you want to try it for yourself, that's fine. Okay, the other ingredients, I have imitation vanilla flavor. I've taken almost, not quite, 20 grams, 20 milliliters of this fluid. We want it to have a little kick to it. And then we have some blue food coloring. We're going to take 10 drops of this and add it to our mixture to give it a little bit of color when we're done.
Is that how much drops you put in the last one?
About.
Because why don't you try to make it like darker this time? Try to make it darker this time.
We're going to try. Okay. All right, now to get things going, while this is getting warm, we're going to go ahead and add the vanilla.
Whoa, that looks cool.
To the water so it can be mixed with the water. We're going to go ahead and add our 10 drops. Now you can do this once it's boiling. I prefer to do it now because then I don't have to worry about it. That's about 10 drops, even though that's a little more than. But we're going to have this turn a nice dark color. There you go, just like that, blue. And now we're going to wait for it to come to a boil, and then we're going to start adding our sugar.
Do you have the stirring stick?
Oh, we need a stirring stick. I'll be right back.
To the storage.
So we gonna make rock candy.
Stirring stick was in the dishwasher. Here we go. Okay.
Glass stirring stick.
Glass stirring stick, and as we can see, we're already getting this. And if you're in the room with us, you're getting this nice, wonderful vanilla aroma.
Smells good.
That does smell really good.
We have a glass jar here. In this case, this is a canning jar. And I've already pre-measured. This will hold 500 milliliters of water. I've already measured it up here to the neck. We will have solution left over. Word of caution if you're doing this. This is very hot.
You will need a parent.
You need an adult or a parent nearby. You also need a funnel, if at all possible, because this is going to be very hot to work with.
And messy.
And
Yes.
while we're waiting for it to boil, ladies, you need to go into the cabinet in the storeroom and find the tray that says string.
Because we need string
We
in order
need
to make the rock
string,
candy.
that's right.
Or in order to eat it. If you want
Okay, we're getting there. We're going to pause until it's boiling.